Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best coffee maker reviews. The compact DF54 Espresso pour-over coffee maker combines precision and power in a space-saving design. Featuring a 54mm flat Burr system for consistent grind and rich flavor extraction, it's ideal for homes, hotels, or offices. The electric automatic operation ensures convenience, delivering professional quality espresso and pour-over coffee even in small spaces. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.